Hello everyone, hope you are all. So today we will talk about Vivo V30. So let's get started. So first of all we will talk about this phone body. This phone body weight is 186 gram, glass front, plastic frame, glass back and dust resistant. This phone display is 6.78 inch AMOLED 1B colors HDR10 plus 120Hz refresh rate. Display resolution is 1260 x 2800 pixel. Aspect ratio 20:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm. Memory 128GB with 8GB RAM and 256GB with 8GB RAM. OS Android 14, Fun Touch 14. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.9 aperture, ultra wide angle 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Front camera is 50 megapixel with 2.0 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 fps, and front camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 fps. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, and fingerprint reader. So overall, this phone is nice. So that was the video for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.